Welcome to Mrs. Taylor's math class. Today, I would like for you to practice with me solving system of equations by elimination. Now let's begin class. Here are your 6 problems. Go ahead and get started. Pause the video. For question number 1, I would eliminate the variable y because it has a -5 already. Hold on. It already has a -5 and a +5. So that's automatically my 0 pair. So I'm going to cross that out. And I'm going to add the 2 lines together. And I get -2x here is equal to -6. Divide both sides by -2. And x is equal to 3. Now to find the value of y, you can plug the 3 back into either equation. I'll do both. So 7 times 3 minus 5y equals -24. This is 21 minus 5y equals -21. 24. And subtract 21 from both sides. And you get -5y is equal to -45. Divide both sides by -5. And y is equal to 9. So far, the ordered pair is 3, 9. You can verify that by doing the problem again. And let's do it with the 9s. I got the -9 times 3 plus 5y equals 18. Get -27 plus 5y equals 18. Add 27 to both sides. And you get 5y is equal to 45 divided by 5. And y is equal to 9. So there you have it. 3, 9 is your solution for question number 1. For question 2, I would eliminate the y values because I already have, they both are negative. Or either way, you know what? Either is fine. It's like personal preference. And I don't know if I should do both. Eliminate the x to show you how to eliminate the x or how to eliminate the y. But I think I'm going to just eliminate the y because I only have to manipulate one equation. So I would just need to make that a positive 2y, and I would need to multiply everything by -2. And so now I have 4x plus 2y is equal to 18. Now I have my 0 pair, and I have 9x is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 9, and x is equal to 4. Now to plug it back in, like I said, you can use either equation. I'll do both just so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And I have -y is equal to -1. Divide both sides by this -1 that's in front of the y, which is the coefficient. And y is equal to 1. I'm going to do the other side, or the other equation. 5 times x minus 2y is equal to 18. So 5 times 4 minus 2y equals 18. I get 20 minus 2y is equal to 18. Subtract 20 from both sides. You get -2y is equal to -2. Divide both sides by -2. And y is equal to 1. So my ordered pair for question 2 is going to be 4, 1. And you're done. For question number 3, I would eliminate the value x because I have a negative and a positive, and the common the common multiple would be 10. So it would be easy for me to change the 5 to 10 and the 2 to 10. And it's smaller than 8 and 7. Their common factor would be 56, and not factor, multiple would be 56, and I don't want to do that. So let's multiply the top by 2 and the bottom one by 5. So I get negative 10x minus 16y is equal to 34. And then I get 10x minus 35y is equal to negative 85. And so now I have my 0 pair of the x's, and I have, this would be negative 51. And let's see, 85 and 34. Oh, that's 51 as well, right? Oh, nice. So 51y and negative 51. Divide both sides by negative 51. And y is equal to 1. So, of course, you got to plug it back in to find out the value of x. Choose either one. So, let's pick another color. And so I go negative 5x minus 8 times 1 equals 17. Negative 5x minus 8 equals 17. Add 8 to both sides. Negative 5x is equal to 25. And x is equal to negative 5. If I do it with the other equation, I am 2x minus 7 times 1 equals negative 17. This is 2x minus 7 equals negative 17. Add 7 to both sides, and you get 2x is equal to negative 10. Divide by 2. X is equal to negative 5. So the order pair for question 3 would be negative 5 and 1. For question 4, I would eliminate the y because I only would have to change one of the equations, and that's the top one, to make that a positive 2. So let's change this to negative 2. And you get negative 10x plus 2y is equal to negative 14. And this would be negative 13x. The 0 pair is equal to negative 26. Divide both sides by negative 13. X is equal to 2. Then I'm going to plug it back in. Like I said, it doesn't matter which one you plug it back into. You should get the same answer if your math was right. My negative 1, y equals 3. That's the negative 1 there. So your order pair is 2, 3. Let's do our check over here. All right, so we do negative 3 times 2 minus 2y is equal to negative 12. This is negative 6 minus 2y equals negative 12. Add 6 to both sides. You get negative 2y is equal to negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. Y is equal to 3. Check, check, check. We're doing good. Let's move to number 5. For question 5, I feel like I'm eliminating y a lot, but I would also, again, eliminate y because I got the 3y here on both. All I have to do is change one of them to a negative. So let's change the top one to a negative by multiplying by negative 1. So I get negative 2x minus 3y is equal to positive 6. And so we have 6x, 0 pair here, and then 18. Divide by 6. x is equal to 3. Then we plug it into either one. 8 times 3 plus 3y equals 12. 24 plus 3y equals 12. Subtract 24. 3y is equal to negative 12. Divide by 3. Y is equal to negative 4. Or the other one. Well, I did it backwards this time. Why did I do that? I don't know. 2 times 3 plus 3y equals negative 6. 6 plus 3y equals negative 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. 3y equals negative 12. Divide by 3, and y is equal to negative 4. So this order pair is 3 and negative 4. For question 6, I actually would eliminate y also, because there's a 2 here, there's a 2 there. Or I can eliminate the x. Either way, I'm still going to have to manipulate one of these equations. So because we've been eliminating y so much, let's eliminate the x this time. So I'm going to multiply my top by 5. It's going to give me negative 5x plus 10y is equal to 50. And my x goes away. I'm left with 12y is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 12. Y is equal to 4. And then, of course, plug it in. Negative x plus 2 times 4 equals 10. Negative x plus 8 equals 10. Subtract 8 from both sides. Negative x equals 2. Divide by negative 1. X is equal to negative 2. Let's do this one. 5x plus 2 times 4 equals negative 2. 5x plus 8 equals negative 2. Subtract 8 from both sides. And you get 5x is equal to negative 10. Divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 2. So for question 6, the answer is negative 2 and 4. And that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Class is dismissed.